Okay, so finally, Mr. Galieto, ayan na dyan, no, the score is 7-6 in favor of Livan, pero with this, even. Here we go. Make this 10 ball, Galieto. This technically becomes a race to 6. Welcome you, Sir John. Good evening po.
Good. Nakita naman natin ito, si Pau Pau is very young, no? Pero naman it's all about steadiness and composure, no? Kaya really it's at this point, no, anybody's game to. We have race.
Well, it's been nip and tuck. Wala naman nauuna dito. We have our own favorites dito sa laban na to, but thus far wala pang kumakawala, no? Maybe we all thought Livan Cortesa, based on the last match he had, talagang mukhang aalagwa na siya, and as well as Mr. Pau Pau. Lumalabas hindi, no?
Tingnan mga siguro last two races or pag talagang balikatan pa to all the way to the end, no? Yan, talagang ang deciding factor talaga dito is the end decision. Yan talaga ang makakapag-determine ng mananalo dito, no?
Ayan na nga, speaking of mental and stamina factors, Paulo Galieto, pinakitaan.
Kapapasok yung mental strength niya, no? Kung talagang kakayanin pa niyang humabol, no? Pero sure naman to, no? So again, so many up and coming or yung mga rising stars na tinatawag natin, and
para ka ng ano nababaliw. Ayun. So anyway, we're just fooling around a bit dito para maging medyo spoil tayo ng ibang mga tournaments internationally na nakikita natin. Limahang kagad, inuubos ang break and run out, ganyan, from players the likes of sila Gore.
to the game proper siguro dahil talagang nagiging intense din. Uy, ang ganda naman yan. Option yon, option.
Diyan alam naman natin na napakagaling na ng mga players nito and most probably inuubos na. What do you think is the key shot here dito sa rack na to?
Well, as he just mere challenge on the pocketing. Ayan na nga. Yung dala ng puti, ang pinaka-crucial dyan, yung control. Just like this.
Well, tama ka naman, no? Hindi ganun kababait yung mga butas dito, John, and you know, that time, muntik-muntik ng alugin. Alugan ng bola ito si Pau Galieto, pero then again, skill-wise, binaliwala na lang ng ating player na to. With this, he's gonna lead 9-7 right now. So, pag ganyan, no? Parang maganda ang dating para kay Mr. Pau Galieto. Of course, Mr. Pau Galieto, great break. May pumasok. Nice opening shot. Naman yung 6. Baka banggay na lang niya, no? Well, it means this is very makeable for Galieto. Well, that was the key shot there in that rack. Long shot sa 6, no? Alam naman natin na during different games and practice times, yung mga long shots sa kanila madali. But considering where he is right now and the amount of pressure that he has in order to win that 1 million peso prize, mabilis siya tumira, but definitely I believe kinakabahan din tong si Mr. Pau. Pero hindi naninigas. Ayun. So here we go. This is gonna be for 10 racks won and his third straight rack based sa napanood ko. Paolo Galieto. His chances dito sa rack na to. Nalamangan si Mr. Livan Cortesa ng tatlo kanina.
Offense already. He knows what he's good for out of his experience So ngayon, alam niya ang kailangan niya, yan ang nangyari.
No? Can't see any problem for Mr. Cortesa, pero teka lang.
7 or patantamain na lang to. Hindi natin alam. Ayun ang sinasabi natin. That's he'll do another kill shot para hindi na masyadong lumayo para sa 8. No? Ayan na.
Nice call there, Sir John. And syempre, no? 3 ball, Livan. A bit short of pace pero no problem. Cortesa easy to make that 10.
The way I see it, ang problema lang siguro is it needs to do a bit of a power shot para dalhin niya naman sa pwesto ng para sa 2, no? Yan lang naman ang nakikita ko dyan. But he will have a difficult angle to hit the 2. Ayan, pero tama ka, partners, yan ang nangyari.
Maybe the 5 ball can help him. Tingnan natin. Nako. What a shot there. Paolo Galieto. Not selling out, but all of a sudden, Galieto comes up big. Wow. Ano masasabi mo doon, Sir John?
Ang ganda naman ng pagka cross-bank nun. At kumbaga, cross-bank yun, no? O, tama.
Easy. Nice. Alam mo naman natin gaano kahirap gumamit na.
He knows that he's going for the big prize. More than anything, yung focus time really with the shots. Kung ang pagkaganyan, sigurado siya sa ginagawa niya.
Abay dapat lang, no? Yan yata yung pinaka-aantay natin, no? Kanina pa. Seeing the flashy play coming from this guy, Pau Galieto. Easy 10 ball now for him. Eto na. To pull closer within the finish line.
Kailangan very sharp talaga siya sa pocketing and sa control ng puti. Kapares niyan, no?
Pero nasa na tayo, no? He gets it easy on the 3 and all of a sudden, ano natin
Ito, uubusin na ni Livan to.
well, look like that's good. I'd say pinapaalam ni Livan na hindi pa ako tapos magbilyar at maging hari dito sa pagiging magaling ko. Yun yung parang pinararating niya dito kay kay Pau Pau no?
Kanya lang itong problema, no? Medyo tumago yung sa dos. But nonetheless, he put some distance between the two balls, and that's a good safety.
Gonna jump. Tingnan natin yung abilities niya dito. Well, it
was a crucial last shot that he took, and he got into very good position for the three. And at this point, to bag this match, his determination.
Here we go. Four. Gamitin kaya ni Livan yan? Well, tingnan natin ha. Nicely done, John. Mukhang this should buy Livan time. What do you think?
He's gonna probably try to pocket. Okay, then that's a foul. Yeah. Right now, the mental Yan ang panahon. And there you have. Seven, 8, 10 actually. 7, 8, 10.
Well, based on how I see this, it looks like Livan would like to break it up right now.
Be-breakin ng 8 Gs. Mapupunta itong puti.
Looks like it's gonna be a safety.
And exactly with what you said, sumafety na si punta yung puti pagka na-kick shot ito ng maayos. At masyadong numipis, mga kaibigan. So now another chance for Lee.
No? What a shot, Livan Corteza. This is to get on the...
Eto na, Aris, kumakagat na ako ng daliri ko at hindi ko maintindihan. The tension is very high.
Is pretty high right now for Corteza and Galleto.
Ika nga. And both players, I'm sure, will be taking their times to run down the clock to make the best decisions in every shot.
Ayun, no? So anyway, although we are all tense dito sa match na to, it's been a while since I've been in a tournament of this degree of intensity, no? So talagang walang ganito lagi eh. So there has been a lot of tournaments pero yung tutok na tutok sa inyo yung tao, no? This is what you actually are after for as a pool player. The moment kung saan masusolidify mo yung yung pagiging bilyarista mo pag nanalo ka, may nakakakita, may witnesses.
Tama ka. And again, yes, what you said, tournament of this magnitude, of this caliber, really is an experience even for all the spectators, no? Dahil very engaged. Karamihan ng mga spectators dito are billiard players, I would like to assume. Kaya naman, nakaka-relate tayong lahat at we're trying to put ourselves sa sitwasyon ng mga players na to. Nakikita pa rin natin talagang magaganda pa rin ang mga tira ng bawat player.
You know, John, my fearless forecast is that if Paolo Galieto can actually land on the 4 to make that dito sa corner pocket sa baba, that could be it.
That's all he will need, a good position for this 4 ball. And you're right, partner. Wag na lang magkamali. But I think he's got it. That's also my fearless forecast.
Nice shot. Eto na. So, syempre, decision kasi to. So, it's more than just a formality. And this is exactly what champions are made of. Thriving in these kinds of clutch moments.
And it's really all about heart right now. Again, konti na lang to. Your mental dedication, walang bibitaw, walang kukurap. Yan lang ang kailangan ng mga players na ito. And in this case, the ball is on the court of Pau Galieto. It's coming perfectly for the 8. Here's the championship shot, the possible championship shot of Pau Galieto. And we have